I'm going to basically fit one of these and show you how it's done. Right, so removing the door card is the first thing you need to do, and it's quite simple to be honest with you. There is one little screw in here, Phillips head, and there is two in this little pocket here. There is one behind this lever here, and there is two in the side here, and then it's just got a load of poppers around the bottom and sides that will need to just pop out. Right, and now you need to take the speaker out, because this is where the stop is. And you can see these speakers are in better days, so you just got to be really careful not to damage it any more than what it already is. So now the adjustment for that stop is there. The little 10mm nut, you loosen that up, then you can adjust that up or down depending on where you want the stop. And obviously we've got some more adjustments just here as well, and there's one in the glass down there as well. But hopefully we won't need to touch any of them unless someone's already tried to adjust it. So we're just going to let the window right down, and then we'll be able to see the little hole for where we need to put our stop. You can see a little hole there in the glass, and then just down here you can see the little broken orange piece of plastic that's failed, and that's what normally rests up against. Again, if I can get up here, there's a little yellow bit of metal that sticks out there. That's the adjuster bolt, and that's what you use to obviously adjust the glass. Right, as I said, it's going to be a little bit difficult to show you how to actually fit these, but basically it comes in three parts. These are the old plastic type ones, and these are the new ones. It's a 4mm Allen key, and the flats here are 19mm. So basically you want this in the glass, this little bit goes in the glass because that stops you from over tightening it, and then this bit goes on the other side of the glass with the bolt in the middle to obviously hold it all together. So this bit here needs to go behind the glass. Again, trying to do this with a dodgy hand. And then you can poke that through there, and then this bit here, hopefully you can screw onto the end. or drop it. Right, there we go. I'll just wind that in. Right, that's all nicely nipped up now. As I say, it is a little bit fiddly. Would it benefit you to take the glass out? Not really, because trying to get that stop in down that glass channel is a little bit more difficult. You have to take all the weather stripping off and you end up with broken clips and all that sort of stuff. So this way is definitely the preferred method, although being a little bit more difficult. But let's see if it works. So now hopefully we can shut the door. And it's all in the seal as it should be. I think we might just tilt this glass in a little bit here, just to be 100% sure. I know it's not really a true representation because the back of the screen is up, but as you can see, that don't move in that bit there. So maybe we'll just tilt the back of the glass in a little bit. But saying that though, that is quite tight in that seal there. So yeah, no, I think we'll leave it there actually. That's lovely and tight in this seal. We don't need to grab a little bit more. I think we'll adjust up a little bit more, I reckon. Right, let's get a 10mm and we'll adjust it up. And just a case of basically just undoing this and then sliding it up a tiny bit and doing it back up again. See how this fits. Right, I'm pretty sure that's about as best as we're going to get it. We've got a little bit of a damaged seal here on the roof itself, not quite sitting in properly. So ideally it could do with a new roof seal. I don't think you can get them anymore. We've adjusted obviously this top stop here, this top stop here, and also you probably see me 1, 2, 3 bolts there, and that literally loosens the window on the actual runners itself, which then allows you to push the window that way or that way basically. So yeah, that's about as far as I've got. No more adjustment that way basically. But we'll close the window. You can see that really needed to go a little bit more towards the front. Maybe I could adjust the top stop a bit more, but then you'll get into troubles with like this bit here as well. But at the minute we've got a lovely seal going all the way around the glass, and that is tight against that seal there. You can see it when we put it in. Like, it goes into the top there and top that seal there, and then when you latch it, that then pushes it in basically. So we've got all the adjustment that we could possibly do. I think again that is probably about as much as we can do on that. The last thing to do basically is to stick the speaker in, stick the door card in, and that is job done. Right, I just opened the roof up and just closed it and just literally asked that seal to go back in its proper place, and it's absolutely fine. So yeah, as you can see, lovely tight seal now. So yeah, that's it. That is how you replace a window stop on a MGF or TF. Make sure you subscribe, and hopefully we'll come up with some more helpful tip videos.